Kings and queens, happy Monday. Usually I don't do a black screen, but I'm here in my office working. Me in my pajama. I'm not come on live. A hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Alright? But I come out here to make one thing clear. I'm not gonna wait till later when time I free up to come to the live. This gonna be a short live. I'm just come to make a few things clear. Alright? And this is chocolate. Big up on yourself. Me not pay too much attention to the comments them. Me just have a couple things to say and come off of here quick and fast and make it clear. Usually, if you guys watching me, I always say if me have a problem with any platform holder, or if any platform holder say anything we're cool and they say something, I would reach out to them off live and tell them how I'm feeling. The way social media has gotten, I'm afraid, my kings and queens, to call anybody phone line. I'm afraid I don't talk to people on social media with platforms because I know how things can go south and people can say what you don't say and get you in mix-up. Now it comes to my attention because Vanilla called me and she has been listening to a live from 13. And apparently something was said about Auntie begging us for a chandelier. Kings and queens, let me tell you something. When Auntie at our house, I reached out to her and I said, Auntie, I would love to give you a gift, a housewarming gift. And she said, yeah, man, anything. So I said, Auntie, you love the chandelier in my dining room? She said, yes, chocolate. I said, all right. I want like that. Something similar to that. May I go send come give you. Auntie has never called us and beg us for a chandelier. All right? So whomever a bad mind the woman chandelier, stop bad mind the woman chandelier. We have never spoken about that chandelier. Auntie is the one who brought it to our platform. Anybody that's been watching us can never say chocolate or vanilla has ever talked about that chandelier on their platform. Because when we give somebody something, we give it out of love and we forget about it. You understand? When we go 99, she want to see the chandelier because it's set up. Me even said to her, Auntie, me know the chandelier look, but she wanted us to see it put up in our house. You understand me? When we give people things, we don't talk about it. The next point is, we don't like Auntie Dana. We don't like Auntie. We don't like Plankabas. We don't like Auntie. Really? Really? Well, I'm going to tell you something if we don't like Auntie. People try to tell us that Auntie don't like us. And I'm going to tell them the same thing I'm about to tell you guys. If she not like we, one day she will grow for like we. I'm going to tell her this now. If we not like her, one day we are going to grow for like her. But until then, we are going to support her. We are going to big her up. We are going to cheer for her like we always do. Because nobody not going to put we in a mix-up. We're not about that life. You understand me? We are not about that fucking life. You understand me? So, on a take we name out on the mouth, we don't get on phone and talk about people. We don't have time for that. And if una want to broke, una think where auntie have something and I want to break it up, that is not the way to go about it. Don't fucking lie on us. You understand? Because me can be terrible, but I choose not to. Because God has been too good to me, and me trust him too much, and me believe in him too much to walk that path. You understand me? Me sorry for the profanity, but I'm here to clear the lady that we don't like. That's what I'm out here to do. Clear the lady name that I don't like, that we don't like. You understand me? She has never begged us for a chandelier. We took it upon ourselves to gift that to her, and it wasn't our place after we gift it or before we gift it to talk about it. So she can brag on it all she wants. It's paid for. It was given out of love. We have never, ever discussed that on our platform. You understand me? You understand me? You understand? Me no mix and we no mingle. You understand? Who we like, we cheer for on social media. We're not in no group. There are no hidden agenda to us. What we say is what we mean, and we mean what we say. You understand me? Don't mix us up with the planka boss. I have too much respect for that lady that will not claim we don't like, because jealousy is a hell of a thing. 1 minute we kiss our ass too much. The next minute, now we are here so we don't like her. Wanna stop it. Leave us out on a mix-up, because we're not going to participate in this back and forth business with anyone on social media. Before we do that, we shut down the page. Because we don't need anything from social media. We give back whatever we made from social media. My life is great off of social media. So I don't need to participate in this bullshit. You understand me? From me come out here, me make it clear that that's one person I will always be biased to, and I'm proud of it. I am proud of it, and nobody now go change my mind from it. Nobody now go make me see differently. Una take we name out of una mouth. We are not about that life. We come out here, we do like a praise and worship, and we like a giveaway, and we celebrate a queen that we love. And who not like it can kiss every fiber of my ass. I don't care. And if me shut down my page, me still I go love her. I know get the friggin' good side of me today, because I want to light up something, but I know some have some queens in here who have major respect for me. And showing us that I can go down in it like anyone I honor. But I'm not gonna do that. Me now make gonna draw me out. Me day here for clear the woman who me not like name. Alright? She never beg us a damn thing. We gifted her out of love, not to buy her love, but to show that we appreciate her. And me nah go low. Using my auntie name, me nah go low. Me can go low, but me nah go low. Understand me? Uno keep uno bangarang and uno ear say and this say and all kind of say to uno self and leave me out of it. Please, in the name of Jesus, leave me out of it. Me and Vanilla. Uno leave we out of it. So we no want say we not like her. Okay, fine. One day we will get for like her. But until then, we are going to support her. We are going to cheer for her. And we are going to lift her up every chance we get. If she not like we, one day she will grow for like we. Alright? Alright. Una have a wonderful day. You hear? I mean, I come back out, you can't address nothing. Una just forget so we live in. That's it. And we will forget that we're living and we keep it moving. We don't have to be in a no back and forth. Life goes on. You live and you learn. So not everybody you can say hello to. And how you doing? All right. We understand that. But we are not about this life. You all have a blessed Monday. And big up yourself, Plankabas. Now hear me come ready for fucking shut down this blood clot platform. I'm so over it.